This one's made. I don't want to drop it.
Okay. Take this one. Okay. You guys, today is so when I mean so busy. My husband just got back from bulk shopping. Oh God, get you a husband like mine. Going out sometimes during this weather, and it's raining. It's just very, I really don't like it. Everywhere is just wet. So my husband helped us to buy things. He bought, say, some peppers, turkey, you know, some bulk things, because winter is coming, and going out to get things when it's so cold, nobody likes it. So let's see what we get up to today. I just want to sort the things out, put them in the freezer, and you know, clear everywhere. The kitchen is a whole mess. I feel like this is my greatest joy in the whole buying. This is turkey. Everything is frozen. For £29. This is 10 kg. £29. The last time we bought this, we still have some in the freezer, by the way. Same 10 kg, but it was going for like 30. Is it £36 thereabouts? But I bought it outside of Liverpool. He saw another one which was £28, but bigger, you know, bigger in size. And you know that one, you need to cut it. Nobody has time for all that stress. I hate cutting. Thank God for my husband. I hate cutting meat. So I'll just let this one defrost on the floor while I prep the meat. See this meat? I feel like this meat is a good buy. See, let me check how much he got it. So these are the receipts of the things he bought today. Let me see. Okay, the meat, £28.73. See, this is knuckle. I will not cut this one. I will just put it in the freezer like this. See this bag of onions for £6. We usually get from Aldi, you know, those small bags, but it doesn't last. And before it used to be a lot. Now oh God, we buy like 2 packs in less than 1 week. It's finished, because I use a lot of onions to cook. But this £6 one now is going to last me. See, if you're in Liverpool and you know the Liverpool fish and meat market, I think you should be going there to buy things, because in the regular shop, the African shops, I buy this for £2.50 per pack. Yeah, £2.50. Some people sell it for £3, but this one now we got it for £2. I feel like all these little savings here and there can go a long way. And those people in that market, they now know that Nigerians are their biggest customers. So the things they didn't used to have before, they sell just veggies in wholesale, but now they have almost everything. That's my husband bought this turkey from. In the African shop, turkey is gold. Now they've stocked up. They have yams, they have plantains, they have almost everything. Palm oil. I usually use this Banga palm oil. My husband saw it there today. What else? Pig milk. They have everything you get from the African store. So go there and buy things in bulk at very affordable prices. Bounty, because after plenty work, enjoy yourself. Yeah, let me just pack everything, Sha. I need to do this fish before I start my prepare work, so that I can marinate the fish. Keep closing it.
Baby, potato. You still prepare. I need to kill this.
You say what?
And Omema.
You're singing Omema and Yahweh Sabaoth. Both of them. Can you sing for me if I open it? Sing.
Omema. Always sometimes. Forget in the jungle. Omema. Always sometimes. Forget in the jungle. Omema. Always sometimes. Forget in the jungle.
What a powerful rendition. Can you sing Yahweh Sabaoth for us?
Yes.
Sing this here.
Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth.
Yeah?
Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth. Yahweh Sabaoth.
Nathaniel Bassi and Chandler Moore. They should come and take them for backup because what is this? You're doing well. Keep working hard for the kingdom of God, okay?
Okay.
Good. Let me open it for you now. Yes, we want to open one of our presents that we've had for a while.
We have for this thing.
Yes. It's a clock.
The clock.
A clock.
Mommy?
Yes.
Are you opening it for me?
Yes, I'm opening it for you. Wow.
Mommy, they're opening.
Yes.
They're opening. See. This one has circle.
You see? This is 1. This is 2. 3. Bring this one. This is 10. Put it here.
I can put it here.
It's here. It's supposed to be here. You see?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is my first time frying catfish ever in my life. I've never tasted it, but I think I know how it's going to taste like in my head. This recipe that I'm about to make, and I just imagined it. Let me tell you the backstory to this my recipe. So my husband said he wanted to eat white rice. And I was like, white rice and sauce would be a good combo. And I'm like, say no more. I had this pack of catfish I bought. I just thought about it. I'm like, I'll fry the catfish, and the sauce will be this kind of not stew based kind of sauce. I'll use my food processor to just roughly blend the pepper, the onions and everything, then mix it with this catfish, fried catfish. Oh my bang, with white rice and some plantain. Can you imagine how that is going to taste? Bang! This sauce, we are eating it with your white rice. Better get a big cup of water or orange juice, apple juice. The pepper in this thing. It's time! Da, 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 da. Hey, 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 hey. Just leave it there. Just leave it there. Good. Yes, we're about to set up. Yes. You brought it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.